This is a 2008 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission and a 3.0-liter V6. All of the following features are included: traction control and stability control systems, air conditioning, cruise control, a chrome grille, front fog lights, tinted glass, dusk sensing headlights, an anti-lock braking system, full power accessories, and this vehicle has less than 72,000 miles. This Ford has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
Thank you for considering Payne Mission for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership at 2003 East Expressway 83 in Mission.